150 years ago, Charles Darwin published his book called On the Origin of the Species by Means of Natural Selection. The modern theory of evolution developed from ideas presented in this book. Nobody knows for certain the origins of life, but scientific evidence indicates that chemical raw materials present on Earth a few billion years ago combined into organic molecules. Actual life itself began with the development of a replicator molecule. These replicator molecules are now called DNA. Life forms have evolved through the process of self-reproduction, mutation, and selection. Through this process, life has become increasingly more complex. But what does this have to do with Numa Numa? Numa Numa is a replicator of a different sort. Numa Numa is a meme. The term meme was coined by Richard Dawkins in his book The Selfish Gene, published in 1976. A meme is a unit of information that propagates itself by spreading from brain to brain. A meme can be a catchy tune or an idea. It can be a religion. It can be any information. In this theory, called memetics, memes are the very building blocks of culture. On the internet, the propagation of memes is sped up. Internet memes spread from person to person through computer hyperlinks. They travel organically, not in a predetermined way, and not through organized distribution channels. Their content can be anything, but it is generally quirky, offbeat, unconventional, and often not very useful. Internet memes can evolve through imitation, parodies, or comments about them. They are subject to processes of selection. Most internet memes don't last very long. This is much the same way that information patterns replicate and evolve in the human brain. The brain filters, translates, and organizes information patterns into a workable, dynamic model of the world. New pathways and connections are continuously being formed or destroyed. The brain is never static, never the same way twice. Neurons process and transmit information using electrical and chemical signals. There are 100 billion neurons in the brain. Each neuron can transmit its information to as many as 50,000 other neurons. Some say the fusion of human brains with the internet will be the next step in evolution. Not just human evolution, but evolution of the planet.
Assimilated.
According to Pierre Levy, a philosopher, human culture is now the main factor of the biosphere's evolution, but also the main factor of its own evolution. From now, evolution is more and more up to us. Levy sees this as a positive step. He envisions a utopic world where freedom and cooperation thrive in a universe run by a cosmic brain that will bloom like an infinite flower made of love. The internet is still too new to predict how it will evolve, but one has to wonder, would we inherit the global brain, or would the global brain inherit us?